Today the topic of our video is full business automation. So basically in this video we will go through how you can train your conversation AI chatbot, attach it to your website, and the chatbot can book an appointment and can trigger the workflow, and how that workflow will update a pipeline, and how the pipeline will follow you through. So it will give you a complete view of where your client stands at. So it is a simple yet a foundation of business automations for you. So you will understand some things in it. So basically first I will start with the knowledge base. We have knowledge base is the material on which our bot is trained, and you are also familiar with it. I will just give you a run through how you can train your bot. So basically I have a knowledge base here, Alhambra, that I created. So I want to add the website on which I want it to train. So I will just copy the link address, paste is. Okay, here you will see three options: exact URL, all URLs with this path, and all URLs in this domain. So if you copy a website URL, it has many pages, and every responsiveness in that will create a separate page. So what these three options will do is that the exact URL will just copy the front page, the home page. It will train the bot on that. Our URLs with the path is that the pages that are in there. Okay, and most prominent will be what are saved. All URLs in the domain is that any type of URL that are in that domain, the bot will scrap it and train on it. So as we have limited time, I will only exact URL, add to website, and it will start the fetching pages. And after that, if you are using path or domain option, it will give you many pages. For example, it may be in hundreds, and they are mostly probably in hundreds, and you have to select which you want to your bot to train on, and the more you select, the better that bot is trained on. Here it is done. You can say the bot is trained. Okay, here I can see what the data is scrapped. As you can see, this is the data it scrapped, and it is the home page, and this is where you can edit the data, or you can say refresh it. So if the page is refreshed, you can refresh it and it will retrain on it. Similarly, you are also familiar with fact, tables, read test, and file upload. So now it is done. We will move to our conversation AI. Here I have already made, so in the previous videos we have I have shown you how to make those. So here we will just go to our bot goals. So what we want from him is to book appointment. Okay, the calendar and workflows. So before you give the workflows here, you have to publish your workflows. The workflow you created should be published, otherwise it will not be here. It is done. We will save it. Now we will go to sites, chat widget, create a new one. You can edit those. I have already told you. So just we have Rachel here. This is our support agent, and you can. So this is just simple method how you can add your conversation AI to your chat widget that is added on your website. So you will chat window, additional options, and here you will give the URL on which you want your chat widget to be displayed. Okay, so now you have connected your conversation AI with your chat widget and chat widget your website. So you are now conversation AI can handle all the chats coming on your website. Okay, next we will go to our automations. I have already created the workflows. Here I published it, and we also selected this. So what this workflow is doing is that here you can see apartment status. It is a workflow trigger. Apartment is booked, and this is the calendar in which it is booked. And then I'm adding a tag. It is very important adding a tag, as you are also familiar with it. Appointment is booked, then I am creating an opportunity. So I have already created a pipeline, that is appointment booking, status, new lead. So why we build these pipelines is to show or get us a proper dashboard view, like if you have visual understanding where your clients are standing, so you can see what are the results that are being produced. So I will also show the pipeline. Opportunities. uh, has to be updated. You will see it here, apartment booking. Yes. So now there are, I just made a simple appointment booking pipeline. So the purpose of this video was to give how you have to make a full business automation system that is connected so your client can be moved in that system. New lead, first stage, appointment is done, client confirmed, client lost. So how will you do that is with the help of automation. Here I'm creating a new lead. Confirmation email is being sent. After that, 20 hours before the appointment, I'm sending him another email reminder and SMS also. 1 hour before the appointment, I am sending him an email. Here I have to add a wait. And time delay is, you can say hours, maybe 6 hours. Save action, then the opportunity will be created, and what it will be a appointment done. And then I'm finding opportunity. Why? Because you can see if a client comes here, How will you know that the client is confirmed or lost? Here you have to do is one thing. You can add some more things in that in the workflows, but there are some advanced level. It is just a basic one. So if a client comes here, you can just simply move opportunity to there. I will show you. Simple. Random numbers. Appointment book is the tag created. Just I move. This was automatically done through automation. It will be done that we created. But after appointment is done, it is you who knows if the client is confirmed or not. So you just have to move it here if the client is confirmed or if the client is lost. If you don't update client is confirmed, then the automation will do it. So it is finding opportunity. If the opportunity, what it is finding it? Client is confirmed. What is the pipeline is appointment booking. Pipeline state is client confirmed. If the client is confirmed, it will create the contact and give him a welcome email. If it is not found, it will update the opportunity to the client lost. So this is just a simple yet a foundation for you to build a full business automations. So how we did it? We created a bot on our website. You can also connect it to your channels on Instagrams or Facebook. And if the appointment is there for the bot, it will trigger this workflow. And the workflow will update the pipelines you create. So you can see where your client is. If the client is confirmed or lost, you are sending your emails. So this is how you have to handle a proper client in a business. And it is just a simple and a foundation for you on which you can thrive and excellence in your own ways. So my advice is at the end of this course is just simple to you. Practice, practice, practice. The more you evolve, the better you will get.